Today I am going to show you how to change busy hair background color. Select subject. Ctrl+J for copy the selection. Add solid color layer. Change blending mode to multiply. Add level adjustment. Follow the settings. After that, add gradient map. Change blending mode to soft light. After that, add text layer on top of the color layer. Type and adjust by pressing Ctrl+T. Please like and subscribe the channel. Hit enter and you are good to go.